Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, brings us our final trade of the day. Let's begin with your Prosper market perspective.
You know, Angie, there's so much going on in the news right now. Earlier last week, it was all about tariffs. It was all about China. It was all about Italy, right? And then all of a sudden that just went away. And then the end of the week, what happened? Well, we got a great jobs report. It was all about interest rates again, and then still tariffs. So, you know, in general, there's so much external news going on in the world right now, geopolitically, economically here, that I think traders, investors alike really have to keep it close to the vest right now.
Good advice there, Scott. Taking a look at your last trade, you had a Prosper with Micron.
We did. We had an MU call spread, the 62.5, 64.5 call spread expiring on June 8th. We bought that for 40 cents. Fortunately, we exited before it got downgraded last week. And the reason we exited, we exited about 90 cents on that thing, is bottom line, what I have learned over my 25 plus years in this business, Angie, is bulls and bears prosper, pigs go to the slaughter.
I
right?
love that line.
No, and it's true. So we took out over 100% on this. We got out. Yeah, we got out, and in fact, we got in with a new call spread after the downgrade and after the stock dropped last week.
For this week, your Prosper AI indicator is pointing to Constellation Brands.
It is, yes, and we like Constellation a lot. We think that prior to earnings, which is the end of June, we are putting in an upside call spread here. We like everything we see. A lot of the news coming out actually about the cannabis space that STZ is getting into. So we're buying a June 22nd, 227.5, 230 call spread. We can do that for about 65 cents or so. When we're doing those exact strikes, because the expected move going out to June 22nd puts the upside at about 230, which would be the optimal return.
Scott, that's a bullish trade, so what's your reward to risk here?
It is. So we pay 65 cents. The spread is $2.50 wide, Angie, so that's where it could max out. So our reward to risk is almost 3-to-1, which again, I always say this, but in our world, that is phenomenal reward to risk for something where the expected move comes right in line with the strikes that we're using.
Scott, thank you for your Trader Talk today.
Thanks so much, Angie.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.